yan.
Okay.
Happy 18th birthday.
Ah, thank you. 18 ko pa lang. Nasa rin na tayo ng maganda. Pinapay ko ang live ko.
Because tonight will be the night that I will fall for you over again. Don't make me change my mind, and I wanna live to see another day. I swear it's true, because a boy like you was impossible to find.
Impossible to find. What the fuck?
Iyak mo na, what the